too many things at once. When somebody says they're afraid of the unknown. No. Wrong. Nobody's afraid of the unknown. See? But you've heard that phrase, right? I'm afraid of the unknown. No, you're not. You don't know lots of shit and you're not afraid. Right? If you're afraid of the unknown, you go around terrorized every moment of the day. Right? I'm afraid of the unknown. No, you're afraid something bad's going to happen in what you're calling the unknown. You follow me? So you say, you open the door, it's all black in the room there, and you go, oh, I'm afraid, why? Oh, it's unknown, I'm afraid of the unknown. No, you're not afraid. You've experienced darkness before and rooms before, without the light or whatever. You're afraid something bad's in there. Yeah? See, you may not be clear on it, but there's something not good is in there. Oh, is there a boogeyman in there? Is there a tiger in there? A snake? Is it going to fall down a pit? What? Something not good. You understand? Otherwise, you're not afraid. You open the door, it's dark, you go, oh, you just hit the light switch. Oh, yeah, cool. You're not afraid. See what I'm saying? See? So even if you blanket over and you say, no, I'm afraid of the unknown, or I'm depressed and I can't tell why, see? You can discover why. You can look into it. See? But the fun part is you don't have to end the suffering. You just have to grasp, oh, I'm doing that, gone. Whether or not you get the specifics, you know what I'm saying? Like, what action am I doing? What is buried in this dark, gloomy thing? This amorphous whatever. What's actually there that I'm being depressed about? I would suggest it's useful to find out, say, because it's going to be something about you, and what you think about you, etc. See, in life. But to end the suffering, you don't need that. You just go, oh, stop, okay, gone. Just like replacing it with a positive future. Like I said, I'm not into positive thinking. I'm not necessarily against it. I'm not into negative thinking. I'm a little, not into the thinking part, but anyway. But in any case, you see the positive future, see, if you make it real for yourself, right? See, but even if you know that you're sort of pretending, it'll lighten the mood, won't it? You know what I'm saying? To go, oh, I'm going to go home and everything's going to work out, and flowers and love and whatever. It's like, okay, yeah, I'm feeling better. If you make it real, boom, depression's gone. But like I'm saying, you don't have to replace it with a positive future. Just like you don't have to replace, and it's not even useful to replace being worthless with being worthwhile. You don't have to be worthwhile. Just stop being worthless. Just be.